Yo, what's up guys? This morning I am out at Catawba River. This is the dam where I believe Lake Norman runs into Mountain Island Lake. I've never really thought about fishing this spot until my brother kind of mentioned it. He came out here I believe 2 weeks ago and he did pretty good, so I figured I'd come out here and give it a shot. I'm on a kayak, guys. I know it's been a minute since I've been on a kayak, so I figured I'd throw in some kayak videos in between. I am selling the kayak as well, so I ended up selling my motor and a couple of stuff off of my kayak, but I made it work today. Got a little milk crate in the back, and then I used pretty much this Yak Attack mount for my rod, so I made it work. If you guys looking for a kayak, let me know. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go out here and see what I can do. It's pretty windy today, so I'm definitely gonna get a good workout in, but yeah guys, stay tuned and hopefully we don't skunk. Yo, this wind sucks. Day rig? Just got bit right there. This is a little one. What the heck is this? Is this white bass? I think so. Woo. But it looks pretty active out here. I just hate that it's so freaking windy this morning. At the house it wasn't even this bad, but when I got to the lake it's pretty windy, so let's see how I do. This one swimming this swim bait on the bottom. Alright, little dude. Just throwing an egg rig. I guess I wasn't really hitting the bottom, so man, this guy's pretty darn thick. Thanks, buddy. Feel like the wind's died down a little bit. I'm not having to fight the wind as much, but man, this morning I was getting in the workout. I mean, the wind is still kind of pushing me pretty good, but not as bad as it was this morning. So I was throwing the A-rig. I got a little white bass on it, and then I couldn't get anything else to bite it. Swapped over to this bigger swim bait, letting it hit the bottom, so maybe they're hugging the bottom, I'm not sure. Oh, spoke too soon. wind's picking up. Goodness. I saw something blew up over there. There's gas right over there. As soon as it hit the water, this guy took it. Oh. Get up in there. Well, freaking GoPro keep backing up, man. That little guy, that was probably about a good 1-pounder. He stocked little dude. I cast it over here towards a rock, and as soon as it hit the water, he took it. I don't know what's up with this GoPro, man. It's probably time to upgrade or something. I knew it felt dumb. Alright, get up in here. Oh my gosh. I've been struggling, guys. Whew. Thank you for eating that, buddy. Oh, damn, that hook got you really good. Little guy. On a little jig. Thank you, buddy. What is that? Look at that thing. That thing is freaking dope. Oh, shit. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I'm actually shooting the outro inside my vehicle. The highway's right there, so it's actually super loud. But yeah, I definitely struggled today, guys. I was lucky enough to land a few fish. My GoPro was acting up too, and it didn't capture some of the footages that I wanted it to capture, but it's all good. The weather condition was definitely different from when my brother came out. In this video, you can see that the water was semi-calm. It wasn't as windy as today. So today was super windy. I definitely got my workout in today. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you guys.